Good afternoon, 110. Mr. Thane here with your math lesson video of the day. If you see here on your screen, I have the graph of our favorite bowls player. Remember, I went to the hockey game and I asked everybody, who is your favorite bowls player? And this is the data that I got. So, I ask you, which player got the most amount of votes? Who did people like the best? I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Think about it. If you said Derrick Rose, you are correct. Now, I'm going to help you figure that out. Why is it Derrick Rose? Well, if you see here, his bar on the bar graph is the tallest bar. And if you look closely, the top of the bar ends at 10. So he has 10 votes. And 10 votes is more than anyone else because you can tell that these bars are all shorter. So, let's ask another question. How many votes did Joakim Noah receive? I'm going to give you 3 seconds to think about it in your brain. How many votes did Joakim Noah receive? If you said 7 votes, you are correct. Now, why was it 7? Well, if you see closely, this top of this bar ends at the 7. Great job. Now, I'm going to ask you a tricky question. We know that Derrick Rose has the most votes for the Bulls' favorite player. Who has the least amount of votes? So the smallest number of votes. Which player would that be? If you said Carlos Boozer, you are correct. Now remember, Jalen Carter described Carlos Boozer as someone who doesn't always pass the ball. So he answered that question correctly in class. He actually is the least favorite player on our chart. Now, kindergarten, here is a copy of the paper that you did on Monday about the pets that people have at home. Now, a couple of tricky questions that tripped you up on your work was, which pet has the most and which pet has the least? So, we're going to take a look at our graph here. Now, remember from our Bulls graph, the thing on a chart or graph that has the most has the highest number, and on a bar graph has the highest bar. So, look and see if we can tell which one of these animals has the highest bar. If you said it is the bird, you are correct. Look here. The bird has, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 people have birds at home. The bird is the most. Now, let's see here. Which one then, if the bird has the most with 7, which animal has the least amount? Which animal has the least amount? So the smallest number on our chart. I'm going to give you 3 seconds to think about it in your brain. If you said dog, you are correct. Now, if you look closely, the dog has 2 votes. That's the smallest number on here. Does the cat has 1, 2, 3 votes? And the no pets has 1, 2, 3 votes as well. So, 2 is the smallest number. Now, you could have came to that by 2 ways. You could have actually counted the boxes, or you could have looked at the numbers over here on the left-hand side to see where it ended. If you look here, this one ends at the 2, this one ends at the 3, this one ends at the 4, and so on. And the last problem, kindergarten, was how many more birds than no pets? That was my challenge problem. I'm going to help you out real quick. How many more birds than no pets? If we see here, birds has 7, no pets has 1, 2, 3. So, Let's see how many more birds there were. Look how many boxes the birds have that the pets don't have. 1, 2, 3, 4 more boxes. Do you see that? The birds have 1, 2, 3, 4 more boxes than no pet. So the correct answer for this chart would be there are 4 more birds than no pets. Great job today, kindergarten.